Hi guys, Brandy from NotTooShabbyMiniatures.com. I have a very special project I'd like to share with you, and I'd like to actually do this project with you so you can see the process as it is completed. As you can see, I just did get started on it yesterday, but this has a special meaning to me, a special story actually. My neighbor was selling her house, and one of the potential buyers introduced herself to me and my husband, and her name was Sue. She decided she didn't want to buy my neighbor's house, but a few days later, I found a box on my doorstep, and it had her name right on it. If you can see, Sue, that was her name. And her husband left a note on it, as you can see, and I got really excited because I saw the postmark on this by UPS, dated 1982. When I saw that, I got really excited. I had never worked on a dollhouse that old before. To some people, it might not be considered old, but for me, it's the oldest one I've ever worked on. So I opened it up. All the pieces were there, thank God. And unfortunately, this is the condition of the instructions. They're not in the greatest of shape. As a matter of fact, some of the pieces were they look like Swiss cheese. They're just so dry rotted. So I'm going to try to be very careful, and I've actually taken pictures of every single page just in case I have a problem, because as you can see, as I turn the page, it's quite delicate. So I'm going to be doing the best that I can. And if you have any information at all on this kit, I would appreciate it. It's called the Franklin Dollhouse. This is the information that's on the directions, the model number 124. And I do have a complete detailed list of all the parts that I was able to use, so that was really good. So let me share with you real quick what I did to get started. So I took all the panels and I marked every single panel piece. I punched them out and I marked them all according to what the directions said they were. And I organized them so everything in this bag is going to be from panel 18, 19, 14, 4, and so on and so on. So if I need a piece like 16A, I know I can go in this bag marked 16, and it'll be in here somewhere. So I did glue some of it together. Not all of it is together at this point. I taped the front on to make sure that the glue dried and kept everything square. So that front panel that you see is actually not attached at all, and neither is the left or right side. But we will be getting to this project very soon. You can find me at NotTooShabbyMiniatures.com. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Pinterest. Yeah, you'll find all that stuff in the comments, and let me know what you think of it. This is what it's supposed to look like when it's done, and I'm really excited. So let me know what you think. Leave a message in the comments, and I will make another video soon when I start doing some more work on it. Okay, have fun, guys. Bye-bye.